Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the Mi Watch Lite. The Mi Watch Lite comes with a 1.4-inch 320 by 320 TFT screen at 350 nits, which is viewable under bright sunlight. The Mi Watch Lite has a built-in GPS and has a 5 ATM water resistant. It also has a barometer for the fitness enthusiasts. For the non-sporty or the elders, this Mi Watch Lite is a perfect companion for health monitoring. As for battery life, it's built to last 9 days without a recharge. To get the Mi Watch Lite up and running, you will need to download the Mi Wear app through the QR code presented to you when you first power up the watch. Turn on the Bluetooth on your handphone and let it pair up with the Mi Watch Lite. You will also need to register an account with Xiaomi, after which you can start customizing your clock screen from the app or from the user interface of your Mi Watch Lite. The Mi Watch Lite supports 11 sports modes. Now in terms of health and daily life, it has functions that actually can detect your heart rate. So we have heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, breathing. There are also notifications, weather, clock, alarm, flashlights and music control. There is also weather reports, alarm, stopwatch and timer. The Mi Watch Lite is priced at $89 and is now available at official Xiaomi stores on Lazada or Shopee, as well as authorized Mi stores in Singapore.